Hi everyone, welcome back and thank you for tuning again to my channel. I hope every one of you is doing well and of course in a good shape. And finally, I have installed the bar and side mirror on my E10 electric scooter. And in this video, you will see how I installed it. First, let's do the unboxing. What I've got from the box: 2 bar end plugs, 2 Allen wrench, and 2 side mirrors. The bar end plug has 5 parts: bar plug head, screw, conical wedge, and 2 expanding sleeves, big and small. Now this is how it works. As you tightening down the conical wedge, it gets into the sleeve. The sleeve will expand and jam inside the handlebar until it gets stuck and tight. Alright, let's start the installation. For the installation of the bar and side mirror, always consider the handle grip. Make sure the handle grips have open end from both sides, since you will need the round open end of the handlebar for the installation of the bar and side mirror. To start the installation of the bar and side mirror, I removed the bar plug that comes with the handle grip. Since my handlebar has small round open end, what I did, I removed the big or the large expanding sleeve and decided to use the small one, enough to fit the open end of the handlebar. Next was, I fastened together the side mirror and the bar end plug. Thus, this will give me enough or adequate control while tightening the bar end plug on the handlebar. Then, I started installing it on the handlebar. Make sure the bar end plug is tight for a secure installation of the side mirror. Next was getting the right angle for convenience. Tilt the side mirrors until you get the right angle. Make sure side mirrors are properly positioned. And that's it! Installation is done. The side mirrors give extra style to my electric scooter and also convenience while driving. No need to turn your head just to check what's behind you. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And please don't forget to support my channel by liking, commenting, and sharing all my videos. Hanggang sa muli mga ka-addict, maraming salamat at muli kayong naligaw sa channel ko. At syempre mga ka-addict, stay safe and good vibes always.